the best PC software for your Windows computer. Consult this list for ideas and discover apps you didn't know existed. We're continuously seeking out the best Windows software and places to download them for all your needs. Most applications recommended here are free and you can quickly find what you need by browsing the listed programs by category. Note that some installers pack bloatware, useless adware that's pre-selected to install. It's the bane of freeware. Thus, Unchecky should be the very first app from this list you should install because it can help you catch checkboxes that commit you to downloading and installing bundled apps you don't need. Jump ahead, antivirus, audio tools, backup and sync, browsers, communication tools, defragging, download tools, email clients, files management, file recovery, file storage, image editors, image viewers, maintenance, miscellaneous, optical and disk image tools, PDF tools, productivity, reading, text editing, uninstallers, video tools. Antivirus software is a cornerstone in protecting your computer from external attacks. While it shouldn't be your only protection, it's important that you install a single antivirus application only. Installing several antivirus tools on the same computer can potentially cause issues, to the point where they lock your computer up. Concerned about malware, ransomware, and viruses? Here are the best security and antivirus apps you need to stay protected. Advanced cross-platform audio player with customizable user interface. Supports gapless playback, can rip audio CDs and transcode supported audio formats, and is best used with custom keyboard shortcuts. If you have a large media collection, MediaMonkey can help you keep it organized. It manages video and audio files, playlists, and can fill in missing track information automatically. The gold version gets you bit-perfect rips. Support for customized collections, on-the-fly audio, video conversions, advanced searches and auto playlists, unlimited MP3 encoding, a sleep timer, and more. MusicBee is the music manager that turns your computer into a music jukebox. It features auto tagging, multiple features to optimize the sound quality, can sync your music collection across devices, and even comes in a portable version. Streaming music service complete with Facebook integration, iDevice management, and playing music to remote speakers. Audacious, an open-source audio player for Linux and Windows that conserves system resources. Supports playlists, online streaming, and Winamp classic skins. Helium, one tool to manage all your audio needs. Supports cataloging, tagging, playing, and renaming your audio files. Tomahawk, a cross-platform social music player that unites your downloads, cloud music storage, radio stations, and streams from various sources into one neat player interface where you can share it with friends. Unfortunately, Tomahawk has not switched to a secure connection yet. When your computer came with Windows 8 or 10, you don't need a fleet of backup tools. The latest versions of Windows come with a built-in time machine backup called File History. And with OneDrive, you can sync files and folders across devices. It never hurts to have alternative backup solutions though. Free for non-commercial and home use. This backup tool lets you save your disk clone or image to local and network-based storage media. To speed up regular backups and reduce storage space, you can use differential images. Use backup templates to set up scheduled backups without missing key files. The home version also packs incremental backups to save storage space. Rapid Delta cloning and restore for fast disk recovery. File and folder backup, backup encryption, ransomware protection, and more. Open source folder comparison and synchronization tool optimized for ease of use. Also available for Linux and Mac and as portable Windows app. We thought it was a better sync tool than Microsoft's SyncToy, which has since been discontinued. Be sure to deselect bloatware during setup. FBackup instead comes with similar features as FreeFileSync and supports plugins for typical backups, such as Firefox Profiles or IE Favorites. Cobian Backup is a free backup software for Windows. It is crammed with featured, yet seems minimalistic at first glance. Users can create multiple backup tasks for different purposes. Backups can be scheduled individually. This is a free backup solution that includes a disaster recovery option. The tool can back up files and folders, create an image of the entire operating system, or clone disks to migrate data. Supports comprehensive full backup, incremental backup, and differential backup. Box. Online storage and cross-platform sync solution for business users that offers unlimited storage for 3 or more users. Starting at $45 per month. File transfers are encrypted with high-grade SSL and stored with 256-bit AES encryption. Google's minimal design browser that went from zero to hero in record time. Best browser if you're already sold on Google products. Receives frequent automatic updates and supports extensions from the Google Play Store. See our guide to Google Chrome. This Chrome user guide shows everything you need to know about the Google Chrome browser. It covers the basics of using Google Chrome that is important for any beginner. With more than 6,000 add-ons, Firefox remains the most customizable browser on the market, offering its users more freedom than Chrome ever will. Should you switch from Chrome to Firefox? Google Chrome is the most popular web browser. But is it right for you? Here's why you might prefer Mozilla Firefox. Opera has pioneered new features like tabs or the speed dial. It's working hard to remain the fastest browser on the market. Its latest features are a built-in free VPN and battery saver. Moreover, it supports Chrome extensions. Is it finally time to drop Chrome for Opera? Any browser works. There's only one reason to pick one over another: it's more in line with how you like to browse the web. And you might prefer Opera. 2. The browser you're using right now may not be the best one for you. The browser arena changes so frequently that your conclusions from comparisons made last year may be completely wrong this year. Microsoft's aging cross-platform VoIP application remains a popular tool to stay in touch with friends and family. Skype offers reasonable rates for calling mobiles and landlines and attractive subscription packages. In an effort to compete with Google Hangouts, Skype now supports group video chats for non-premium accounts. Note that Microsoft retired the classic desktop Skype in November 2018. When you download Skype now, it will be the Windows 10 app. Here are the best Skype alternatives for your PC for chatting, video calling, and more on Windows, Linux, and Mac. Easy to use, open source, cross-platform, multi-protocol chat client. Supports all major chat programs, as well as third-party developed plugins. Built for gamers, TeamSpeak is a popular VoIP solution that works across a range of desktop and mobile devices. Tired of Skype? Don't want to pay for TeamSpeak, but need a tool to communicate with your buddies? Give Discord a try. This voice and text chat for gamers is free, secure, and works on your phone, browser, or desktop computer. OBS Studio by Open Broadcaster Software, OBS, is one of the best tools to live stream your gaming sessions. Live streams have become all the rage these days in the world of gaming. And with Open Broadcaster Software you can join in with your own streaming sessions for the world to watch. Fragmented data can slow your computer down. Defragging restores order on your hard drive. Note that defragging a solid-state drive, SSD, can reduce its lifespan. From the makers of CC Leaner comes Defraggler, a portable defragging tool, sporting solid features, paired with a pleasing and intuitive interface. You can benchmark your drive, view a file list and drive map, as well as examine drive health. An alternative to Defraggler is iBit's Smart Defrag, which is easy to set up and runs in the background. QBitTorrent is a free and open-source BitTorrent client. It's generally considered the best uTorrent alternative. Are you still using uTorrent? It's time to switch to a cleaner and more trustworthy BitTorrent client. Here are the best uTorrent alternatives for Windows, Mac, and Linux. An open-source and cross-platform BitTorrent client built by volunteers. It's full-featured, doesn't bundle adware, and won't track its users. As a result, it's lightweight and much more enjoyable to use. Free and open-source download manager. Allows you to start, stop, and pause your downloads. Set bandwidth limitations. An auto-extract archives. Your antivirus may detect it as a threat, but rest assured it's a false positive. Potentially comes packed with bloatware. FlashKit can download videos from various sources. collaborates with your antivirus, and optimizes system resources. Free download manager supports HTTP, FTP, and BitTorrent. Can resume broken downloads and you can adjust traffic usage. Thunderbird lives on. This desktop email client thrives because of its many customization options. These must-have Thunderbird add-ons will help you make the most of it. And is also available as a portable app. And in 2019, Mozilla announced that it will pick up developing Thunderbird again. Want the best free email client? We've compiled the best email software for Windows, Mac, and Linux that won't cost you a dime. As awesome as Microsoft Outlook can be, there are good reasons to consider an Outlook alternative. Here are the best options. Copy and move files at maximum speed and pause and resume file transfers. When an issue comes up, Terracopy won't terminate a transfer like Windows Explorer does. Instead, it will show you the failed files after the transfer was completed. EasyOS Partition Master is an advanced alternative to the built-in Windows Partition Manager. It supports merging of adjacent partitions, copying partitions and disks, upgrading system disk to a bigger drive, and it can recover deleted or lost partitions from unallocated space. The Pro version lets you manage dynamic volumes, migrate your operating system to SSD, HDD without reinstallation, supports Windows storage spaces, change between MBR and GPT without losing data, and more. A feature-packed alternative file manager to Windows File Explorer that uses a dual-panel layout. If all you desire is a file explorer that supports tabs, we recommend Explorer++. For more options, see this article on alternative file explorers. Windows Explorer, now known as File Explorer in Windows 8, is a mainstay of the Windows desktop. No matter how many alternative programs Windows tweakers use, most people seem to stick with the. Were you ever faced with a .rar file and wondered how to open it? Fortunately, managing zip files and other compressed archives is simple with the right tools. Here is what you need to know. Universal Extractor can decompress and extract files from any type of archive or installer, including zip, rar and X files. Did you ever wish you could turn back time to recover your lost files? With the following tools, you need neither a DeLorean nor a flux capacitor. A little luck will do. Just remember not to write any data to the disk you wish to recover files from. The Recuva wizard can take you through the process of recovering files, or you can manually pick drives to be scanned. Designed for intuitive use by the makers of CC Leaner. The professional version also includes virtual hard drive support, automatic updates, and premium customer support. This open-source tool is considered one of the best applications for recovering lost partitions or making non-booting disks bootable again. It's operated through a command prompt window but comes with thorough documentation, which will allow even novices to compile information for recovery by a professional. To recover photos from digital camera memory, try TestDisk's open-source companion PhotoRec, which can recover a wide range of accidentally deleted files, including photos. Disk Drill, formerly Pandora Recovery. Free file recovery software for any type of file. Also available as a portable app. You can never have enough storage space. The advantage of cloud storage is that you can access it from anywhere and as long as the service and your internet are running. You have nothing to worry about. The following are the most popular and reliable options available. Dropbox is available across platforms and allows you to sync folders and files to the web and other devices connected to your Dropbox account. Great tool to auto-upload photos from your mobile phone. It's being challenged by Microsoft OneDrive, which offers more storage capacity and potentially better Windows integration. Microsoft's cloud storage solution comes with now only 5 GB of space for storing documents and images. Nextcloud, a free open-source tool to build your own self-hosted cloud storage solution, a community fork of OnCloud. Mega, formerly known as MegaUpload, is a cloud storage and file sharing solution that offers up to 50 GB of free storage. Free image editing tool with an intuitive interface for beginners and comprehensive features for intermediate users. Supports layers, unlimited undo, special effects, power tools, plugins. And when you're stuck, you can rely on a selection of tutorials and an active online community. A simple tool to create animated GIFs. Use the app like a camera to record a series of image frames, which you can then edit before turning them into a GIF. The free open source 3D creation suite supports everything from modeling and animation to video editing and game creation. It has long been the gold standard of 3D imaging tools. Get over its steep learning curve with these Blender tutorials. 3D modeling is an excellent way to exercise creativity while keeping in touch with your technical side. Here are some awesome free tutorials. All-in-one image browser. Converter, an editor that has never let us down. Supports all major graphics formats, including RAW and other digital camera formats. The makers of FastStone Image Viewer also offer a capture tool and a photo resizer. Simplistic on the surface. Hides advanced features under the hub. Yet intuitive and easy to use. Classic Image Viewer, which you can also use for simple edits or batch processing files. Now available in 32-bit and 64-bit versions. An extensive plugins library is available separately. Cross-platform Image Viewer, Organizer, and Converter that comes with a huge selection of filters and supports 500 different formats. Third-party applications can impact your system's performance. They can accumulate temporary files and huge caches. Launch with Windows and consume resources in the background while getting outdated over time. PC maintenance tools can help you keep your computer running smoothly on the software side or analyze issues with your hardware. In addition, they can maintain your privacy by removing traces of your online or offline activities from your PC. CCleaner is the PC maintenance gold standard. The award-winning optimization tool scores high points all around. Clean junk files, make your browsing safer, or speed up your startup times. If you absolutely have to use its registry cleaner, be sure to back up the registry. The Windows registry is one of the most poorly understood parts of the Windows operating system. We show you tools that can simplify the registry and help you identify issues. The Pro version gets you real-time monitoring, scheduled cleaning, automatic updates, and premium support. BleachBit is a free and open-source tool to clean unnecessary files from your system. And you're in control. Scroll through the sidebar and check file types for individual browsers, e.g. cache or cookies, system files, and other software that clutters up your hard drive. When you're ready, click Clean and free up disk space. Like CCleaner, Glary Utilities offers comprehensive PC cleaning utility. The free version includes over 20 tools that can fix PC issues and improve performance with one click. Privazer can scan any drive connected to your computer for traces you left while using your computer, including internet cache or cookies, residual deleted files, or useless files. Essentially, it's a cleanup utility with a focus on your privacy. Available as a desktop and portable application, BleachBit cleans your PC from junk files and shreds them to prevent recovery. This open source tool is available for Windows and Linux. ToolWiz Time Freeze can instantly put your Windows system into a sandbox and protect it from undesired changes. An advanced system information tool for your PC, made by the creators of CCleaner. The free version provides you with an overview of all your system internals, including your operating system, CPU, RAM, motherboard, graphics, storage, optical drives, audio, peripherals, and your network. CPU-Z is the best app to gather basic CPU, mainboard, memory, and system data. Watch out for bloatware from CPU ID when installing PC Wizard or CPU-Z. Software Update Monitor. Short Sumo monitors your installed software for available updates and downloads them for you. Be sure to deselect the default homepage setting during installation and click Cancel when prompted for it again. You can also quit the survey. The Windows Task Manager is good, but it lacks a few features. Try these alternative task managers for Windows instead. D72 is a multi-tool designed for IT professionals from Foolish IT. It automates diagnostics, comes with Windows repair features, and can help you remove malware from infected systems. The tool is available for evaluation before you must commit to a monthly subscription. This utility helps you prevent eye strain and sleep better by adapting your screen brightness and color saturation to ambient lighting. It also supports scheduling. As shown above, Classic Shell is more than a start menu replacement. Besides adding a customizable start button and menu, it features tool and status bars for Windows, File Explorer and Internet Explorer. A great productivity tool to make Windows better. Most of us are online around the clock. But which apps should you turn to when you find yourself off the grid? We show you 6 Windows 10 offline apps you should keep stocked. Virtual machines allow you to run other operating systems on your current computer. Here's what you should know about them. Within Windows, you can install any operating system on your virtual machine and run it like it was a regular program. We have used VirtualBox to run Windows 10 on Windows, Linux. Love Linux, but still depend on Windows occasionally. The Windows 10 TP is a stable test system. We show you how you can try Windows for free as a dual boot or on a virtual. Even as a Mac user, you might need Windows from time to time. Be it at work or a public computer. Here's a chance to familiarize yourself with Windows 10 for free. With VirtualBox, you can easily install and test multiple operating systems. We'll show you how to set up Windows 10 and Ubuntu Linux as a virtual machine. We've lavished attention on VirtualBox here at MakeUseOf, and for good reason. However, VirtualBox isn't your only option for creating and using free virtual machines. VMware Player. VMware's free product is every bit as good. TeamViewer allows you to remote connect to another computer over the internet, either to provide technical assistance or to access files and programs. By far the best free remote desktop connection manager you can get. It's cross-platform and easy to set up. 2. Here's Boot CD is one of those apps every techie should carry around. Burn the ISO to a CD or create a bootable USB with Rufus and you'll always have a digital toolbox. Here's Boot CD is a Windows rescue utility that boots from CD or USB. It's a must-have for your PC repair kit for when Windows won't boot. With you to fix some common computer issues. Comes with recovery tools. Can reset your Windows password. Test hardware. Compile hardware information. And much more. Portable and open source password manager with plug-in support. Helps you protect your online accounts with strong passwords. The app stores passwords on your computer or USB drive. Cloud-based alternatives to KeePass include Dashlane and Safen Cloud Password Manager. You may know that deleting a file in Windows doesn't actually remove it. That's why it's possible to recover deleted files. Recovering deleted data from a hard drive is generally possible because typically the actual data is not deleted. Instead, information about where the data is stored is removed. In this article, one will explain how. In a recent article, one explained why it is impossible to recover data from a hard drive after overwriting it. In that post, I mentioned that simply deleting files or formatting your hard drive typically by overwriting them with random patterns. Best used with hard disk drives since erasing data from a solid-state drive. SSDs can only be written to a limited number of times. Then how can you securely erase your SSD? Here's what you need to know. Feature-rich, yet easy-to-use burning tool for CDs, DVDs, HD DVDs, Blu-rays, ISOs, and bootable discs. Simple tool to convert DVDs to AVI or MPEG for backing up your DVDs on your local drive. Includes its own codecs and can reuse codecs installed on your system. If your DVDs turn out too big to be stored locally, try DVD shrink to reduce their size. CDEX rips audio CDs to MP3 and other formats. Supports a range of encoders and the source code is open. After the demise of Virtual Clone Drive, WinkDemu has become your best solution to emulate CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs. The open source tool supports ISO, Q, NRG, MDS, MDF, CCD, and IMG images and can create them via a context menu in Windows Explorer. You can create an unlimited number of virtual drives to mount image files and play them virtually. By virtualizing your disks, you'll never have to swap disks again. The tool is also ideal if you want to run optical disks on a Windows device that lacks the matching drive. This is the most lightweight PDF reader. It supports tabs and is packed with keyboard shortcuts. It's also open source and available as a portable app. Unlike other free PDF readers, it doesn't feature any editing tools. The best PDF readers don't cost any money. Read our roundup of feature-rich PDF viewers that outperform even Adobe Reader. PDF SAM, aka PDF Split and Merge, is a small tool to split, merge, and rotate PDF files any way you like. You can drag and drop files onto the tool and mass edit files. The interface is basic, but the features are advanced. PDFTK Builder is a free graphical interface version of PDFTK to merge, split, decrypt, encrypt, watermark PDF files. Powerful Virtual Desktop Manager. Expand your screen with virtual desktops and use them to separate open windows based on tasks. A similar tool is VirtuaWin, a lean desktop manager with a minimalist set of features. You need a clipboard manager because it can remember all the things you copy and paste. We have compiled 5 of the most functional tools to manage your clipboard history. That allows you to keep a record of your Windows clipboard backed up for later use or sync clipboards across multiple computers. Also available is a portable app, similar to ClipX and many other clipboard managers, better known as Copy and Paste, a tool for students to lift passages from Wikipedia. The clipboard can save you loads of typing time. We'll show you how to use it like a pro. A cross-platform utility that employs keyboard shortcuts to launch programs and files independently of Windows File Explorer or the Start menu. If you're looking for a Start menu alternative, the Windows 10 Start menu is a great improvement over Windows 8. But you can make it even better. Here are the best tools for working around or replacing the Start menu. You might also appreciate Simenu, a portable menu launcher that allows you to organize your applications quickly and easily. The context menu that pops up whenever you perform a right-click can help you become more productive. With the right tool, customizing the shortcuts within it is a breeze. Ice Cream eBook Reader is an immersive ebook reader that supports EPUB, MOBI, FB2, PDF, and other ebook formats. Free and open source ebook manager. Comes with a library to manage your ebooks. Can convert ebooks from one format to another. Syncs to your reader devices. Downloads news from the web and converts it into ebook format. Functions as an ebook viewer. And can edit ebooks. Reluctant to spend a few $100 on a glorified word processor. You can get Microsoft Office for cheap and alternatives for free. You've got many options and we offer a summary. To get a professional productivity and Office suite, one which is open source and community supported on top of that. Free cross-platform Microsoft Office alternative with a tabbed interface and more reliable support for collaborative features, such as tracking changes and comments. Self-absorbed ads can be a little annoying but are easily ignored. The premium version is ad-free and lets you split and merge PDF to Word. The professional version is a lifetime license with 3 years of services included. Probably the most popular tool in this category. Easy to use and thorough. Even comes with a hunter mode that will track down and eliminate programs based on icons or shortcuts on your screen. The Pro version supports forced uninstall, bulk uninstall, extended scanning for leftover files, real-time change monitoring with log files, multi-level backup system, print and export a list of installed programs, and lots more. iObits Uninstaller sorts all your programs into categories that make it easier to find applications you installed recently, software that takes up a lot of space, or tools you barely ever use. This utility also allows you to quickly get rid of browser toolbars and plugins. And Windows apps. The Pro version can delete bundled programs and plugins. Uninstall malicious browser extensions. It features adware removal, one-click updates for installed programs, free technical support, and more. A mass installer or uninstaller can save you heaps of time. Remember the last time you set up a new computer? We are going to teach you how to do these tasks in a flash. Geek Uninstaller is fast and reliable. It comes with a force removal option. And it's completely portable, free and cross-platform video player that can play almost any video file. Supports DVDs, CDs, VCDs, and a selection of streaming protocols, including YouTube playlists. Do you love YouTube playlists, but wish you could watch them outside your browser? You can use VLC for the job, thanks to a simple extension. Here's how. K-Lite Codec Pack offers a selection of 4 codec packs. From basic to mega, they will outfit your favorite video player with all the codecs it needs to play any video you throw at it. Open source, cross-platform, media converter that can convert video files between many different formats. Here are the best tools for ripping DVDs and Blu-rays so you can digitize all of your media without any hassle. A high-quality and open-source freeware screen capture utility with support for lossless video output. Perfect for creating screencasts or video tutorials. Formerly known as XBMC, Kodi is a media center package for your home theater PC, HTPC. It can stream live TV. Cutting the cord can mean losing access to live television. However, there are a number of ways to watch live TV on Kodi. If you've read about the cord-cutting phenomenon but aren't sure where to start, this is a guide to cutting the cord and ditching cable TV for good. If you have a lot of locally saved movies and TV shows, you need to install Plex. And this is the only guide to getting started with Plex you'll ever need to read. Have you tested any of the applications above, or have we missed your favorite software? Let us know. We will improve the list based on our tests and your input. And if you appreciate this list, please share it with your friends and family. Got a new computer or just reinstalled Windows? These essential apps are must-have software for Windows 10. No matter what. Text source, makeuseof.com.